The equipment required for this test includes a 105mm diameter standard compaction mold with a collar and base, a 2.5 kg mechanical rammer with a 300mm drop, a soil balance accurate to 1 gram, a mixing tray and spatula, a straight edge, a drying oven set at 105 degrees Celsius, moisture tins, and a pre-dried and pulverized soil sample passing the 4.75mm sieve. Lime, at the percentage determined from the lime demand test. For this soil, that is 3% of the dry mass. 0.32% of Chembase solution by weight of dry soil, at a ratio of 2:1 for stabilizer to activator. Estimate the total water remaining to be added and split it in a 7:3 ratio. Use the 70% portion to mix with the stabilizer and the remaining 30% to mix with the activator. We will also need a spray bottle for applying solutions. Appropriate measuring cylinders and syringes. First, add the lime and mix thoroughly. Spray the stabilizer solution and mix well. Then spray the activator solution and mix again thoroughly. Then place the soil in a sealed container to allow moisture equilibrium. The curing period may vary depending on the material, typically ranging from 2 to 168 hours. After curing is complete, smear and break down any large clumps to create a uniform layer. Assemble the compaction mold with the collar securely attached. Fill the mold with soil in 3 equal layers. After placing each layer, compact it using 25 blows from the rammer. Repeat this process for the second and third layers. The final layer should slightly overfill the mold, just below the top of the collar. This ensures the total compacted height will be greater than the mold height, allowing it to be trimmed flush after compaction. After compaction is complete, remove the collar and trim the surface level with a straight edge. Once compaction is complete, weigh the mold with compacted soil and record the mass. Extrude the soil using a jack. Place the entire sample into a pre-weighed container and record the weight. Then, place the container in the oven at 105 degrees Celsius for at least 16 to 24 hours. After drying, weigh the sample again to determine the moisture content. Repeat the procedure with additional batches of soil at increasing moisture contents.